Llyr Griffith.
Diolch Llywydd.
Thank you, Llywydd. May I ask for a government statement on its policy of devolving jobs to different parts of Wales? Because we heard, of course, the questions earlier on the decision on the Welsh Revenue Authority. We also heard references this afternoon to the possibility that the Welsh Development Bank jobs will be located perhaps in North Wales or other parts of Wales, and the Secretary for the Economy suggested there was a possible intention to relocate or create a presence for Cadw in other parts of Wales too, and the impression one gets, or the question I want to ask, is whether there is a strategy, a pan-governmental strategy, something coordinated and deliberate, because it appears to be quite ad hoc with departments working in their own silos, and I think a statement would be an opportunity for the government to set out their stall in terms of this agenda and how they intend to achieve it. It would also be an opportunity, of course, to discuss the criteria referred to by the member for Arfon earlier, because if those are the criteria used on each occasion, then there is a question as to whether we will ever see some of these posts relocated to an area such as North Wales, and most importantly, of course, having such a statement would provide greater clarity for everyone in terms of how all parts of Wales can be confident that this is a government for the whole of Wales.
This clearly is has to have a cross-government approach, where, as I said earlier in response to the question from Andrew R.T. Davis, where we have direct control in terms of our decision-making as to the location of a new body, new functions, and of course in terms of Welsh Revenue, the Welsh Revenue Authority, it's not just a new body, it is new functions, it is new skills as well in terms of the tax powers that we are taking on that are now being devolved to Wales. So it is a matter of ensuring that we do have the capacity and the skills to develop, and that has a bearing in terms of location. Yes, back in October, and I've already mentioned the fact that the Cabinet Secretary for Economy and Infrastructure did set out his wish that headquarters for example, the Development Bank for Wales could be established in North Wales. So where there is an opportunity, and there aren't some of those issues that have been mentioned already in terms of our ability to influence location, we would want to ensure that there was a decentralised presence across Wales. That in terms of private sector investment and inward investment, that of course has another bearing. The points that have been made about the sectors and the enterprise zones in Wales and their particular sector focus has a bearing on private sector location of business and new opportunities. But clearly this is a cross-government strategy in terms of the location and relocation of businesses and services throughout Wales.